In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Zen Browser theme. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Zen Browser, go to the very top left, click on those three dots, and then go down here to where it says Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you can go ahead and click on the General here, scroll down a bit, and then here, it's going to say Language and Appearance. This is where you can basically change your Zen Browser theme from either light or dark, so you have those two options, or you could go to Custom over here and basically click on Manage Colors, and you could also set a specific color you want. Like if I do light blue over here, I'm going to click on OK and OK again, and it's going to basically change it into that color. Now that's basically how you change the theme. However, you could also go to look and feel over here, and in here you can then go ahead and change the different layouts, how you want it to be. Here you could go ahead and see different theme settings, stuff like that. So that's pretty much how you can do it. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.